Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can create a drop down list in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So here you can see I have written some questions and here you can see answer options. So what is your favorite day? So here you can write any question, like here you can write what is your favorite color, what is your favorite month, or any other questions. So after that you will see answer options. So when I will click on it, you can see I created a drop down list. So I will show you how you can easily create a drop down list in Excel. So firstly you can see what is your favorite day. So open the another sheet. So here write the number of days. So here you can write any ones, like if you are asking about month, so here you can write the month names. So if you are asking about color, so here you can write the number of color. Because I am asking about days, so that's why I wrote number of days. So after that, go back. So select the cells after the questions. So after this you can see data options. So click on it and here you can see data validation options. So you can see data validation option, click on it and here you can see validation criteria. So you can see allow option. So here you will select list. So after selecting the list, so you can see source options. So click on it and you can see a arrow. So just click on it and here you can see data validation. So here select the data. So after selecting the data, so click on it and then click on OK. So you can see when I will click on it, you can see I can select any days when I will click on it. So in this way you can create a drop down list. So you can see another questions, do you like to play cricket? So again select these cells. So go to the data and then click on data validation options. So here you again select list. So after that click on source and then open the new sheet where you create your data. So after selecting this, open it and then click on OK. So you can see when I will click on it and here I can select easily. So guys, in this way you can create a drop down list in the Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.